Common Rati here with yet another display-related bug having to do with emacs and this Raspbian Trixie image that's using Wayland. This is an emacs 30.1, I believe. Um, and here I am starting it up totally with vanilla dash capital Q. I'm just going to move it over a little so the two windows don't overlap. If I click over here, notice the bottom of the Emacs frame moved up by a line. I click over here, it moves up by a line. I click over here, it moves up by a line. Click over here, it moves up by a line. All I'm doing is selecting away and then back. And each time it goes up by a line. This will keep going until we hit the minimum window size, which I believe is 3 content lines. And then it will stay there. I'm getting tired switching back and forth clicking. Also does if I click it over here, I believe. Yeah, it doesn't matter how I select the windows. So my guess is that something in the window manager or the GUI framework is sending a message that is causing Emacs to change its size, whether that's an Emacs bug or a GUI framework bug, I don't know. I don't see it on other platforms. I've used Emacs on lots of Linux but most of them are X. So this is one of the few that I use where it's so now we're down, I think, to 3 lines. So I think the next one won't decrease the size because my guess is what's going to happen is it's going to try to make it shorter, but Emacs is going to say nope, minimum size is this, and resist the attempt. Um, we can see which Emacs version just to be sure. So anyway, that's the bug.